Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your Minecraft skin. Make sure the game is not running before changing your skin. Go to a site like minecraftskins.com and browse the millions of skins available. Select the one you like. Once you've found the skin, click on the download button located on the right side of the screen page to save it for your computer. Visit the Minecraft official website and log into your Minecraft account credentials. On the skin change page, you will be asked to select between Classic or Slim model. If you're unsure, you can refer to which Minecraft model to choose at the bottom of the page. Just click the Upload Custom Skin button and then click Select File. Navigate to the location where you downloaded your skin file and select it. It should be a PNG file. Once the skin file is loaded, click Upload and your skin is changed. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.